So I've been to the KTM centre today to pick up a package, a new package. Let's get my package opener out, get the keys, and let's go and have a look. So I had a voucher from KTM for some troubles that I had. Anyway, so I thought I'd go spend them. What could I find to spend them on? Absolutely bugger all. Now, potentially I wanted to get some levers for the bike, but the levers were not really any different to the ones I got, so I kind of sort of didn't see a point in doing it. So, of all the things I could buy, what did I buy? I hear you ask. What did you buy? What did you buy? Well, it's funny you should say that. I got this beautiful t-shirt with a bull on it, and a bull on it, and another bull on it. No balls were harmed in the making of this t-shirt, I don't think. Well, there's the box. There's the package. Hide it so you don't see any part numbers and gifts. Yeah, you may be thinking it's a bit of a big knife of box opening. You'd be right, it is, but it's cool as hell. That looks pretty slick. So as you may have guessed, these are the ergo seats. Look at that, a little bit of stitching around there, white as well, which will complement the bike. Let's hope it's the right one. I mean, it looks pretty right. And that's the main seat. Again, we've got a bit of white stitching. Call it an ergo seat. So what does that mean? Is it much more comfortable? Is my Boutalante going to fit on it a bit better? Does it mean I can ride for an extra hour? An extra 5 minutes? I don't really know. So first things first, let's get the cover off. It's very simple to get these off. Key in, undo that, the back pops up, take the key out, give it a jiggle, seat one off. This seat, even more simple. Pop the back up, slide it forward. See, the seat is so uncomfortable that that's actually looking quite enticing. I'm already kidding. I'm looking, thinking, oh, I should probably give this a clean, but I don't think I can be bothered. So let's get the new seat, compare it to the old seat. Let's put it around that way, let's put it around that way. I'd say it's 25% lighter. It's got more padding and more squish. It still feels the same tension on the top because it's probably the same material, but it does feel like there's a bit more give. This one's a bit more tricky because you've got to line up the prongs at the front. That's the prongs lined up. And now for the back seat. I should take the bag off and all that and compare those, but I'll be honest, the back one feels softer than the ergo one. So that's a bag off. Let's get the straps off. Oh, I've got to remember the toolkit as well, because the toolkit saved me the other day. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Weight wise, ergo one's a bit heavier. Let's get that toolkit in place first. I'll be honest, I probably need a big flathead screwdriver. That's probably the only tool I need when I'm out on it, because just the first time in over a year that I've ever had to get it out. See if that bad boy fits then. And there she blows. Now, I'm going to be honest, that white stitching looks a little bit... looks a bit cowboy. Looks a bit howdy-doody. I look like I should be wearing chaps with it rather than riding a motorbike. Looks like it should be part of my horse. Yeah, very strange. It's a bit of an odd look. As opposed to The proof of the pudding here will be in the eating of it, or the tasting of it. And I'll have to get it out for a ride and see, so I might go put my gear on and go for a quick blast. Right, here we are. We're out on a ride then. We just come out of the house, round the back, we're going onto the roads, around the village. And, well, let's put my visor down. My initial impressions are this. God damn, this seat's hard. Like, this seat is actually pretty hard. Yeah, like, it's actually quite hard. Uncomfortable hard. The back one, that's equally as hard. But the front one is no softer. It should, in theory, be more comfortable. It ain't. Let me tell you that much. It ain't more comfortable, bruv. It's quite hard on my what's it called? What are them bones around your gooch called? What's the gooch bones called? Like the inner part of my hips. Oh, not my hips, my pelvis, maybe. Right, let's go see if this seat is any more comfortable at speed. And because the bike's done less than 600 miles, I cannot change the red line. See if I've got any more feel through my butt. I mean, this bike has got feel anyway. It's got feel for days. Feel for days. Never have a problem with the feel coming back through the bikes, whether that's foot pegs, hand grips, seat, whatever. I feel less vibey, yeah. I can feel less vibrations through my butt. So now we're at speed, I can definitely feel the difference. And actually, you know what? I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm happy with that. It's not something the ladies are going to like, I wouldn't have thought. Because the appeal of this is that it is a vibey single. The ladies do love a vibey single, for obvious reasons. Yeah, we found its niche. Yes, it's a little bit. I mean, it'll be harder maybe because it's new. That's maybe why it feels a little bit harder. But it definitely does take out some of the vibrations. Keeps the rumble, it keeps that old downshift pop and bang rumble on your butt. You can still feel that, and I can still feel the traction, and yeah, that's pretty cool actually. So yeah, overall quite happy. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you liked the video a lot and you love me, give us a subscribe. If you don't like it, as my boy says, shove it up your butt. We love you.